And while that elf
need
is
to lie
doing
to my
that, would
child.
another elf please give me the trash under his hand? Oh, gently, please.
I don't know what... This is to Kyle Quinn.
Who's it from then?
Who is it to? A-U-N-T.
Aunt. And then what's
Aunt Kim. Aunt Kim.
Aunt?
And... Yep, Kim.
Do you want to say anything?
Aunt Kim. Thank you, Aunt Kim.
I bet you inside or you just...
Thank you, Aunt Kim. Thank you, Aunt Kim.
That's nice.
Oh my gosh.
You're going to have the best dressed and...
What is it, you guys?
It's this. Zuzu pet thing. Yes. It's the balls. We can put the Zuzu pet in.
Awesome.
You might want to do another Zuzu pet making.
Yeah, you think so?
Seth, you want quarter?
We're going to have Zuzu pets all over the
I don't
house.
care, Dad.
Look, look, look.